Good afternoon, children. See, we have a question here. It has been sent to me by my student as a doubt. Question ऐसा है कि the angry Arjun carried some arrows for fighting with Bhishma. With the half of the arrows, he cut down the arrows thrown by Bhishma on him, and with 6 other arrows, he killed the charioteer of Bhishma. So what we can do is हम start ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि let I'll write here in shortcut, let the arrows be x. So how many arrows Arjuna had? We'll take it as x. अब इसमें से with half of the arrows, he cut down the arrows thrown by Bhishma. So I'll write this way: number of arrows used to cut down arrows of B. That's for Bhishma. तो कितना एरोज में कट डाउन किया बेटा? हाफ ऑफ द एरोज, विच मीन्स आई टेक इट एज x by 2. सिंपल एज ऑफ नाउ. उसके बाद द स्टोरी सेज with 6 other arrows he killed the charioteer of Bhishma. So arrows used to kill the charioteer, CHARIOTER. So how many arrows to kill the charioteer of Bhishma? 6 arrows. Now आगे का स्टोरी क्या है? With 1 arrow each, clearly stated, with 1 arrow each, he knocked down the chariot, flag and the bow of Bhishma. So I'll write here क्या क्या किल किया उसने. चैरियट को किल किया, देन द फ्लैग एंड एरो ऑफ भीष्मा. क्लियरली सेड विथ 1 arrow each, मतलब चैरियट को 1 arrow, फ्लैग को 1 और एरो ऑफ भीष्मा को कट डाउन करने के लिए टोटल नंबर ऑफ एरोस कितना लगा? 3 arrows. फाइन. नाउ finally, with 1 more than 4 times the square root of arrows, he laid Bhishma unconscious on the arrow bed. तो पहला है मतलब the leftover arrows के साथ उसको मार दिया. Correct. So how many arrows he had? Total x है. So let us first find out number of arrows left with Arjuna. So let us find out how many arrows are left behind with Arjuna. Total arrows कितना था बेटा? x. उसमें से कितना arrows यूज हुआ? 1, 2 and 3. So उसमें से कितना यूज हुआ वो फाइंड करते हैं. So x by 2, 6 plus 3, I'll be getting 9. So now if I open up the bracket, I'll be getting x minus x by 2 minus of 9, which is equal to, I can solve this very easily, 2x minus x, I'll be getting x. So x by 2 minus 9. These many arrows were left with Arjuna after 1, 2, 3 episodes. अच्छा, जो left over arrows था, ओके, उसका और एक कंडीशन दिया हुआ है. व्हाट इज इट? फाइनली विथ 1 more than 4 times the square root of arrows. अच्छा, so और एक लेफ्ट ओवर फाइंड कर सकते हैं. लेफ्ट ओवर एरोस जो बचा था, मतलब ये वाले, और लेफ्ट ओवर एरो से क्या हुआ? he has killed Bhishma. Okay, so left over arrows जो बचे हैं, that is how much बेटा? x by 2 minus 9 is equal to, and what is the condition given to kill the Bhishma? With 1 more than. 4 times 1 more than means plus 1. 4 times the square root of arrows. So 4 into square root of the arrows means x. Okay, so what I can do is let root x be y. ठीक है, हमने कंसिडर कर लिया रूट एक्स को y कर लिया. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज इफ यू स्क्वायर दिस आई विल बी गेटिंग, सॉरी यहाँ पे तो x हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा बेटा, y स्क्वायर हो जाएगा आफ्टर स्क्वायरिंग. करेक्ट. सो नाउ देयरफॉर x का जगह पे क्या आने वाला है, वी हैव x y स्क्वायर माइनस 2 माइनस 9 4. रूट एक्स का वैल्यू y है, सो आई टेक इट एज y plus 1. Fine. Now to eliminate these two, I'll multiply everything by 2. So I'll be getting y square minus 18. 4 2s are 8 and 1 2s are 2. Let's rearrange this better. So I'll be getting y square minus 8y and plus 2 comes this sign minus 2, so minus 20 आ जाएगा. Fine better. Now the product should be negative 20 and the addition should be minus of 8. एक second, I'll just draw here as a partition. Okay, so the factors would be, I'll write therefore y square minus, I think I'll go for minus 10y plus 2y minus 20, which is all equal to what? 0. Fine children. Now first two, last two, so I can take y common, bracket में y minus 10, so plus 2 common, I'll be getting y minus 10, which is equal to what? 0. So in the end, you know very well, either y will be equal to 10 or y will be equal to minus of 2. Okay, what was the substitution beta? We have taken root of x as what? Y. So root x can be taken 10 because y, and if you square this, so I'll be getting x is equal to 100. Obviously 2 का लेगा तो 2 का square 4 आएगा, तो इसमें possible ही नहीं because it will be negative numbers. Correct. So x would be 100. So it's a 4 mark or 5 marks का question है, which is clearly said find the total arrows used by Arjuna. So after solving such things, we get x as 100. I hope you got this very well. This is your Priya sir for you. Bye bye.